Let's hear from Lily, a first-generation sophomore from Alabama, who can tell us all about career services and community partnerships at SLC. The flexibility and rigor of a Sarah Lawrence education proves time and time again to be excellent career prep, and the college is dedicated to helping students connect their interests with exciting professional opportunities. Go for it, Lily.
Hey y'all, welcome to Sarah Lawrence. I love politics, from the thrill of watching a debate to the sense of satisfaction after a successful phone bank. When I was applying to colleges, I knew that I wanted to go somewhere where students are passionate activists and where faculty and staff are supportive of my career ambitions. Sarah Lawrence is the perfect environment for me. Because of Sarah Lawrence's unique location, I've had the opportunity to attend protests in New York City and the ability to volunteer in Yonkers and other communities in Westchester. I've also had the opportunity to work in the Office of Community Partnerships, where I've been able to connect directly with local nonprofits. It was this love of community and activism that drove me to stop by our Career Center. Our career counselors helped me create a clear and effective resume, which helped me land my dream internship. I even got to go on an all-expense-paid trip to DC for congressional lobbying and an organizing conference with Planned Parenthood. Coming from Alabama and being a first-generation college student, I'm so grateful for this support while navigating a new area and a career. I'm only in my second year at Sarah Lawrence, and I already feel so prepared to enter my career. After Sarah Lawrence, I hope to study public policy in graduate school. I have no doubt that once it's time to apply to grad schools, I'll have the full support of the entire Sarah Lawrence community behind me. That's my story, Alex. The floor is yours.
You're hired, Lily. Sarah Lawrence's career services are so amazing, with one-on-one counseling sessions, robust internship and job databases, interview prep, and events connecting students with tons of top employers. There's no shortage of opportunities to get out there and build your resume. Thanks again for sharing, Lily.